Hi there, I'd like to just welcome you back to the channel. If you're watching it for the first time, just like to thank you and please continue to watch the channel. And for those that's been watching the channel and been subscribing, thank you very much. And today we're going to be making some sauces. You need sauces in our kitchens, so today we're going to make a coconut milk sauce with spinach, and we have 70 grams of spinach and 300 mils of coconut milk and 1 teaspoon, a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now what we need to do is blend all the spinach. So put the spinach in and we put about 30 cups of water into the blender, and we're going to blend it. To blend it till it's very fine, and it's been treated to very fine. Then we have the 300 mils of milk. We're going to add the 300 coconut milk to the mix. We're making a vegetable sauce, and then we're going to add the salt and just blend that in. Just a little. There you have it. You have spinach and coconut sauce. The sauce can be used in your dishes, vegetarian dishes, any sort of dishes you want. Meat dishes, fish dishes, any one of them. There you have it, the first sauce. This one is coconut milk sauce with spinach. The second sauce we'll be making today will be a jerk sauce and a coconut milk sauce. Now I said to you before that I was going to upload this red jerk sauce, which is on the channel, so if you click on and look at the description, you'll see how to make this red jerk sauce, the ingredients of this red jerk sauce on the channel. Thank you. On the YouTube channel. Now the ingredients for this sauce is 300 mils of coconut milk. We're going to put it in to a blender. Three tablespoons of jerk sauce. This sauce again, you can use it in your vegetables, and also if it's a meat, you use it in your meat or your fish, especially chicken. All you need to do now is just blend it, and it should be ready for you. There you have it. this jelly sauce has got chilies in it. So you see here's the chilies. That's the chilies coming out of there. But it's got half quarter of chili in it. There you are. The third sauce we'll be making today will be a cashew sauce, and I've got cashews which I've soaked. You can soak the cashews overnight, or you can soak them up to 6 hours. But I've soaked the cashews because you've got to soak the cashews. I've got some water, I've got some garlic granules, some black pepper, and I've got a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Okay, so what you do, we're going to blend everything. So in the blender, putting all my seasoned spices in there in the blender, and then we're going to put some water, because what we're trying to do is to get this to a very creamy texture. There you have it. Nice creamy texture. There you have it. It's a very nice creamy texture. That's how you want it. Right. So what we're going to do with this today, you can use this sauce. You can use this sauce by itself. If you don't eat like tomatoes or anything like that. But this is remember this is a peanut sauce, so you can use this creamy sauce. It's normally used sometimes in lasagnas and so on sauce. So it's a nice white sauce. But what I'm going to do with it today, I'm going to turn it into a white or a cream. I'm going to make a mayo, which is our final one. And in the mayo, we have cannellini beans, and then we have vinegar, that's apple cider vinegar with lemon juice inside, and then we have some sunflower seeds, and we have garlic powder and some onion powder. Okay, so we're going to put that together, and we have some water. So first we put beans in, and we wash our beans. Then we put the garlic and the onion powder in. Put our sesame seeds in, which is half a cup of sesame seeds, and then we put apple cider vinegar, which is 2.5 spoons apple cider vinegar, and about 1.5 spoons lemon juice. Start with half a cup of water. There you have it. Nice There you have it, nice and creamy mayo sauce. There, nice and creamy. Right. That's the mayo sauce. We'll put this one in for you. So there you have it. We have the jerk sauce, that's the red jerk sauce. Then we have the spinach and coconut sauce. And then we have the coconut and jerk sauce in this one, pinkish one. And then we have remember this is the cashew sauce. And we also made a plain cashew sauce. And we also topped it up with a jerk flavor, so you can have a cream jerk sauce instead of having a red tomato sauce. So you have two sauces in one there. And finally, we made you a mayo. That's a plain mayo, and you can always flavor your mayo how you want it. So, with all these sauces I made today, thank you for watching. And we'd like you to subscribe and share and like, and please click the notification button so that when I make the next video you will be able to receive it. And remember, all of these sauces that I made, they're very healthy sauces and natural with no preservative. Thank you very much. Also, please remember that all of these sauces can be refrigerated, and once you've made them and start using them, they must be kept in the fridge. Thank you very much.